Now, what's interesting is that since pasture-raised eggs have become the real buzz and consumers are recognizing nutritional benefits from hens that are out on pasture like this here, overnight we've seen national brands begin putting pasture-raised as a claim on their egg carton. Tell us a little bit about how that's happening.
Right, no, absolutely. Basically what you are now seeing is free-range houses that are, basically all they're doing is cutting a whole bunch of holes on the side of their buildings just to allow birds to go outside, and they fence those houses in to get them that 108 square foot per bird, and that's how they're getting their pasture raised claim by just simply doing that.
Okay, so you're saying a conventional style barn would say 20,000 hens in it. They're just putting some doors on the sides and hoping the hens will range outside. And they're actually claiming up to 108 square foot per bird of access. But the question is, are the hens utilizing the space? Now, you guys are giving these hens 280 square foot of pasture space. So why so much more?
Well, we find that if we were to bring our number down to that 108 square foot, that we would be over-impacting our pasture. There would be too much impact from the hens. And so our numbers, what we find for healthy pastures, is around 280 square foot.
Okay, so basically 108 square foot is not near enough pasture space because if you guys reduce to that number, this pasture would basically get overrun and turn to dirt. So the fact that there's still pasture surrounding those big barns means that the hens essentially aren't even outside utilizing the pasture.
And it's not just about the pasture space, it's about the process of moving. We were still, if we could put our hens in a big 50-acre field, and if we had a stationary setup, we're in our opinion, our model is still not where it needs to be because our hens are going to be beating down the area.
Right, if you're saying you never moved your hoop houses, the hens would never be able to utilize that pasture space no matter how much access you gave them. If you're not moving them along, they're not going to access it because they're only going to roam so far from a stationary building. Right. Okay. All right. That's an interesting insight. So the question that maybe a customer should ask when they're looking for pasture-raised eggs, because there's so many now, is one, are the houses actually rotated throughout that pasture space? Because if they're not, the hens aren't going to be utilizing the pasture, and you're not going to get the benefits not only to the land, but you're not going to get the nutritional benefits of the egg if the hens actually aren't outside. Got it.